Hello, welcome again. We are solving mechanical engineering paper 2 of year 2025 of civil services mains exam. Question number 8C. Calculate the critical pressure and throat area per unit mass flow rate of a convergent divergent nozzle expanding steam from 10 bar and dry down to atmospheric pressure of 1 bar. Assume that the inlet velocity is negligible and that the expansion is isentropic. Use steam table at the end to get the steam data. The value of isentropic expansion index may be taken as 1.135. Here, corresponding to 1 MPa or 10 bar, the saturation temperature is 179.91. Okay. So here the inlet pressure is given as 10 bar, and from the steam table we can see these properties corresponding to 10 bar. So 10 bar or 1 MPa, that pressure temperature is 179.91 and the specific volume is 0.1944. Okay. And now we can use these properties. Okay. Because steam is dry saturated at dry saturated condition, and we know that for isentropic expansion the relationship is T01 by T1 is equal to 1 plus gamma minus 1 by 2 m square. For critical properties, m is 1. Here gamma is given as 1.135, so T01 by T star is will be equal to 1 plus 1.135 minus 1 by 2, or it will be equal to 1.0675. And now T no 1 is known, so T star can be created. So T star comes out as 424.27. Now we can use isentropic relationship to find out T star. T naught by T star is equal to T naught by T star is equal to rho gamma by rho naught. Gamma is 1.135 and T naught by T star we have calculated as 1.0675. So P naught 1 by P star can be found out, and P naught 1 we have we already know that P naught 1 is 10 bar, so P star comes as 5.7743 bar. Now again there is relationship between pressure and volume isentropic relation. So that is PV raised power gamma. Gamma is 1.134. Now we know that V naught 1, P naught 1, P star we can find out V small v star. That is your specific volume, that comes as 0.31537 meter cube per kg. And we know that the mass flow rate is rho star A star is equal to V star. V capital V. V is here velocity. Velocity is root gamma RT, and RT is equal to P star into specific volume star, because PV is equal to MRT. If M is 1, then we will take specific volume here. So P star into V star will be equal to RT. Here V is specific volume, and now we can use this V star here. A star divided by this specific volume. Here capital V star comes as 454.629. We have used here. This V star we have calculated as 0.31537, and mass flow rate is given as 1 unit, so it means 1. So area comes out as 0.00, or critical area comes out as 0.006936 meters square, or 693.69 mm square.